How to sort on Binance without leverage. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be discussing about how to sort on Binance without leverage. So let's get started. So first thing first, just head over to your Binance account and make sure you're currently logged into your account, and you can just tap on this account section and make sure you have saved your futures or other options regarding your account. And once you do all of that, just come over to this derivatives section and simply click on this drop down menu. So once you click on that, you will see all of potential options such as buy and sell options or leverage tokens or leaderboards or PIP portals, etc. So you just have to click on this first link over here, or first option, that is perpetual or quarterly contracts settled in USDT or BUSD. So since we want it on USD, just tap on the first option. So now you should be taken to this screen. You just have to tap on this drop down menu and you just have to choose the option that is USDT or BTC USDT, and so you just have to choose for USDT, that is BTC USDT. And once you do that, just click on this cross option over here to change it to another option that is isolated. So make sure you convert it to isolated, as it will manage your risks on individual position by restricting the amount of margin allocated to each. And if the margin ratio of a position reaches 100% in the position will be liquidated, so margin can be added or removed to positions using this mode. So once you keep that in mind, just hit the confirm button and you can just tap on this 10x button over here right before adjusting to the leverage, and you can just decrease it to however you want. So maximum position is at current leverage is at this, so you can read that. And once you are satisfied with your leverage, just tap on confirm. So for now I'll use no usage of leverage, so I'll drag and drop it to over here and just click on confirm. And once you do all of that, you can just basically increase or decrease the profit or loss margin over here. And once you're satisfied, you can just tap on the sell short button over here. So that is it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.